This is an Alberta emergency alert. Government of Alberta has issued a public health alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. Emergency. Alberta has declared a public health emergency to protect the healthcare system from COVID-19. Indoor social gatherings are the top source of transmission. All indoor social gatherings have now been banned. This ban will be enforced with $1,000 fines. For more information, www.alberta.ca COVID-19. If you are in the affected area, for more on these enhanced measures, visit www.alberta.ca COVID-19 or call 310-0000. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.